So I bet you're wondering why we call them SMART goals. It's a really good analogy because SMART tells you it means something that's kind of intelligent. So we're going to talk about SMART goals in this section. The S is specific. You have to be pretty specific about your goals because otherwise it's just like a pipe dream. Unless you say I want to do X amount by this date, it's not specific. If you say I want to make $1 million, that's great, but what does that mean? The M is measurable. There has to be a way that you can track what you're doing. You have to be able to see it because otherwise it's just like a pipe dream. So it has to be something that you can measure along the way. The A is for attainable. Now if you make a goal that's so far-fetched you'll never reach, guess what happens? You become frustrated. If you make it too easy, then it's also not a goal. It's just something that you can do with your eyes closed. The R has to be reasonable. If it's not a reasonable amount, just like I just said, if you try to do something and it becomes exhausting every time you try to do it, it's not reasonable. So you have to really try to think about what makes it reasonable. And then the T is the time constraint. There has to be something that's going to get you to the point by a certain date. So if you take everything for the SMART goals and you wrap it all in together, think of something that you would want to reach by a certain date in the order that you want to do it and write it down. And I would love to hear your comments about it because I have my own SMART goals and I reach them as best I can every single day.